Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just here on a nice sunny day. I think it's got up to 50 today, so nice beautiful day out. No snow, no rain, no high winds, just a good day. Back here with the Shelby GT350. I was looking for a spare tire kit for this car since it only comes with the pump. And I was a little hesitant on taking longer rides, longer drives, cruises, whatever, with just that air pump, not having a spare available. I did find a spare tire kit from Automotive Authority. So I was able to find this kit on Facebook Marketplace, actually. Guy here local, he was in the Philadelphia area, had it up on Marketplace. He was selling it due to selling his GT350. When I got to his house, I saw that he had bought a Camaro, so he switched over to the Chevy Camaro. I got rid of his 350, and he kept this spare tire kit. I think I got it for about 250 bucks. So if I remember, Automotive Authority was selling this somewhere around $500. So it was about a 40-minute drive, and picked it up for $250, so that was a great deal on my end. So now I can put it in the trunk and feel a little better with taking it on long cruises. So that is it. Got the jack. There's a spacer. I will look into that and see how that spacer comes into play. And I do have the instructions along with it. So I will go over this, and we'll jack the car up using that jack to see how well it works. I do have the low profile jacking rails on it, BMR, so we'll see how that plays in with getting this thing jacked up. Directions say if you're putting this spare on the front, you need to use a spacer, which is provided in the kit. Make sure I get my chock under the back tire. I forgot to do that, so put that down. Put the chock under the back. Here's the spacer that's provided. And then with this tire, you want to make sure you lift up and over the brake caliper so you don't hit the top of it. Just on the front, you're going to want to install this spacer. It's just for the front. The back is not needed. I'm using the supplied hardware. You gotta remove the spacer. Don't forget that. All right, let's get this jack up underneath the back. With the wheel on, I was looking, there's very little clearance, but just enough. It's all you need. So I lifted it up so I can check out the clearance. That is your clearance in between the inside of the wheel and your rear caliper. Gives you room to spin. That's it. So I'll go ahead and remove it, put the regular tire back on, and that should be it. That's what the rear's to spec. And 150. All right, so I have spare tire in. I took out the pump and that foam block that they had in the back. So I have a piece of blue foam down underneath everything. The jack kind of sits in there underneath the wheel, in between the fastener. I wrapped the wrench up in a microfiber cloth, put a couple other microfiber cloths under there to just keep everything from rattling and everything. So it fits in there nice. I'll go ahead and put the mat in and see how flush it sits. It looks like it should be pretty good. Fits pretty nice. All right, got the trunk mat back in, and it sits pretty flat. Happy with it, it's gonna work. And then spare tire underneath. So, be able to travel a little bit more. Having insurance of a spare tire. So, there you go. Looking good. Overall, I'm happy with the fit of it. Instructions are pretty good. Definitely recommend spare tire kit from Automotive Authority. Very good. All right, well, that's going to be it for the day. Enjoyed getting out here, messing around with the Shelby. And I want to thank everyone for watching the channel. And until next time, take care.